Super, guys. Alright guys, we're here at Toyota again. Homie's gonna hook it up. They're gonna install the CBI rock sliders. So there they are. CBI rock sliders with the kick out. So now I have protection on the truck. It's also gonna serve as a step. Perfect. Alright guys, so yep. Next mod we shall see, but probably the bed rack. Alright guys, thank you as always for checking out the channel. Please like, share, and subscribe like always. Adventures, off-roading and all. Again, thank you guys. Have a blessed day. Peace.